XRP gearing up for massive pump, says credible crypto. Here's how high it could go. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan. Today, we have a great article about XRP Army. Got all my XRP Army fans out there. Today, though, we do have actually good news and great things coming for XRP. If you guys have been watching and following the charts of XRP, which most people have, even though it's been a lot of turmoil out there, it's like one of those relationships that are just back and forth, you know, an unhealthy relationship with XRP because it is such a great project. And obviously we want to see great success. And we know that there's tons and tons of potential with the project. So we want to see some gains, right? I mean, let's just be honest. We need to see some gains. It's been sitting there for months and months and months, and people have been holding for months and months and months. And all these new projects coming out, we could have had our money in, and some people are still just holding on tight to XRP, thinking it's going to be the end all be all of cryptos, and that's totally cool. But today we're going to go ahead and cover some really positive news for XRP, showing that that is definitely a possibility in the future. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Widely followed trader and analyst Credible Crypto says XRP is setting the stage for massive eruption. In a new tweet, the crypto strategist tells his 142,700 followers that he believes Ripple's native asset is building up momentum from both the fundamental and technical standpoints. He says XRP coiling up on the chart like an H barbarian, a Hedra hash graph, Ripple putting pressure on the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the lawsuit, and some very valid reasons as to why XRP should and could be relisted by major U.S. exchanges. A massive pump is on the horizon. I hope you're prepared to be a part of it. Last week, the SEC sent a letter to the U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres of the Southern District of New York to oppose the intervention of XRP holders in the lawsuit against Ripple. With Ripple's legal issues showing signs of cooling off, Credible Crypto says XRP can potentially skyrocket to $4.32 from its current price of 54 cents and generate gains of 700% as it follows the footsteps of Hedra Hashgraph. With Ripple's legal issues showing signs of cooling off, Credible Crypto says XRP can potentially skyrocket to $4.32 from its current price of 54 cents and generate gains of 700% as it follows the footsteps of Hedera Hashgraph. XRP really started to look like HBAR did before it ran 8x. We have a potential breakout of our consolidation pattern when HBAR broke out in the same manner it was 2 months ago, and it was around 5 cents. We are at the resistance, but this could be big if we get past it. All right, so here on this chart, as you can see, it did have a very clean impulse move, which ran all the way up to here, and then it came down on its return and filled that gap. Like we talk about on the channel all the time, there was a massive imbalance here, came down and filled that. But that also created a huge back end of a rising wedge. As you can see, it started consolidating inside of this wedge. You can see the resistance line of the wedge here, and then the support line down here. It did actually break out of the consolidation pattern. And we just talked about this the other day as well, that if this comes down and taps it and continues up, then that has a retest of that resistance. That would be very, very good. Or if it just continues its breakout without a retest, is absolutely fine. In the near term, the trader believes that XRP will take out resistance around 56 cents and ignite a rally that can send the 7th largest crypto asset above 70 cents. I have marked off the resistance level here in the red. Note that we ended up rejecting off of it, but now we have bounced back and we are attacking it again. I'm quite hopeful. All right, and then here on this chart, as you can see, the clean impulse move we talked about before. This is the daily chart. It's been riding through that wedge. It is consolidating into a point. It did break above that line, and it actually came back into the wedge pattern and broke back out again. If it can break through this red line right here, which is definitely the resistance point, and continue up, make its tap, and then continue on its way up. So Good news looking for XRP. The charts are looking strong. Let's go ahead and check the live charts, and then we will also go ahead and check the score for XRP. All right, so here we have the daily chart for XRP. And as you can see, it did make the run up we've talked about, came down and did this consolidation inside of this wedge. And then here we have the breakout pattern. It did actually break above the wedge, but like we were talking about, 58 cents. You'll notice that it's come here and tapped 58 cents in the past as well. It's tapped 58 cents, tapped 58 cents. That is the marker that it needs to break through before it can even move up to its previous resistance level here of 64 cents. And then also, if we take the back end of this pattern and we connect it right there, this will give us an idea of where the up move could run to in the short term. So, I mean, we're looking at 97 cents in the short term for a breakout for XRP. So as long as it can break through that 58 cents and then the previous high, or not necessarily high, but it was a previous high for the body, which we just recently had, and that would be at 64 cents. We can continue through. Now let's check out the Cointelegraph Markets Pro score for XRP. All right, so right now we have a score of 57 on the Vortex score. And if we take a look here over the last month, what it's been at. So it's been a 65 just recently. And 65 is usually a good buy signal section. Right here, it was at 65, 66, and it made a nice run up. And then it started having some bad news, came down. But as of right now, it is a 55. The price is sitting up at 56 cents as well, 56.2. And we have a market cap of $26 billion. Volume is down significantly. It's 3 billion right now. And let's go ahead and take it back to the 7-day. And as you can see here, the 7-day forecast, this is what's been going on for the last 7 days. That score has just been maintaining about the same. So obviously the score doesn't mean everything, but it is good news. 7 hours ago, as you guys can see, every single week, there's multiple articles about XRP, the price analysis, which we cover here on the channel as well, just like we did today. So let me know down in the comments, what do you guys see happening for XRP? Are you guys bullish on XRP? Do you think that the lawsuit is going to get tossed out? Where do you see XRP going in the near future?